Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2016. A person X was driving in a place where all roads ran either north-south. See, north-south. See, this is north and this is south, right? Or east-west. या तो roads north-south or east-west, right? ऐसा चल रहे थे. Forming a grid. So that means, see, roads ऐसा है, ठीक है? Roads are north to south है, or they are east to west, forming a grid. Roads are at a distance of 1 kilometer from each other. So 1 kilometer from each other. So roads are either north. So roads are like this, forming grid form कर रहे हैं, right? And they are 1 kilometer distance from each other. So in road के बीच में there is 1 kilometer distance, right? And here also 1 kilometer distance. 1 kilometer. That is, see, these are north south roads, right? And these are east west roads, right? East west roads. So all these roads are parallel hai, right? Forming 1 kilometer distance. So either be 1 kilometer distance. So that means इस box में सबका 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer distance hai, right? Grid each other. So he started at the intersection of two roads. So a person X started at intersection. Let's take he started at here. He started here, right? He started here. Intersection, drove 3 kilometers north. So 3 kilometers north, this is 1 kilometer, right? So let's take the second road here. So 2 kilometers and the third road. So let's take it here, right? See, this is third, right? So he traveled 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, because here the gap is 1 kilometer each, and 3 kilometer north, right? North, comma, 3 kilometer west, 3 kilometer west. See, west is this side, right? 3 kilo, 1, 2 and 3 kilometers. So let's take, see this, there is another road here, 1 kilometer gap mein, right? So 3 kilometers west and 4 kilometers south. 4 kilometers south he traveled. After that, see, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 4 kilometers. So he is here, right? Travel 4 kilometers south, right? 4 kilometers south. Which further route could bring him back to his starting point if the same route is not repeated? So starting point is this one, right? So which further route can bring him to the starting point and same route should not be repeated? So that is, first option is 3 kilometer east. See, that is 3 kilometer east is this side. See, north, east, south, west. See, east is from here. That is 3 kilometer east is 1, 2, 3 kilometers east and 2 kilometers south. 2 kilometers south is नीचे है, right? 1 kilometer, इधर एक और road होगा, right? And here एक और road होगा, right? Great. So 2 kilometers. So now he is here, right? Now he is here. By starting point में नहीं है, so this is cancelled, right? So here he is here. So starting point में नहीं है, so this is cancelled. Then let's see the second option, that is 3 kilometer east. See, from here 3 kilometer east, S, 3 kilometer east is here, right? And 1 kilometer north, S, 1 kilometer north say he is not repeating the road and he reached. So he reached the starting point. So this is correct. Now let's check next options also. That is 1 kilometer north. See, from here 1 kilometer north. भाई ये तो possible नहीं है because he is repeating the route. Route repeat नहीं होना है, right? So this is not possible. Then 2 kilometers west. अगर west भी जाएगा तो इधर जाएगा, right? Starting point से 5 kilometer दूर जाएगा. So ये incorrect है. Then 3 kilometers south. See, 3 kilometers south would be here, right? Starting point here say, right? 3 kilometers south he would reach here, and 1 kilometer north again he is reaching here. So starting point से नहीं है. So starting point ठीक है. Which further route could bring him back to the starting point if the same route is not repeated? That is 3 kilometer east and 1 kilometer north, right? So option B is the answer, right? So very good question.